missing what is seasonally the best time to be a buyer. Many buyers retreat this last week, driving our months of inventory up to its new highs for 2025. We're going to talk about that and more this week. I'm your host, Tony Meier with Windermere Real Estate. We are going to cover interest rates for sale and pending, months of inventory, and median sales price, see how the market's evolving and what we can glean from that this week. So interest rates on their way down. We'll take that, sitting at 6.27. Hopefully we see further decreases in that rate going forward. We'll keep you informed as what we see on that marketplace. Homes for sale, basically steady. This is being a little resilient. We typically see inventory fall off, and a lot of that might be the fact that we just don't have as many buyers buying homes this time of year that we normally do. So we're steady this week compared to last week, up 73% compared to 2024. So this is the second week in a row in pendings that we're off about 20% from where we would normally be so far this year. Average of 115 pendings so far in 2025 each week. We sit at 94, down from last week just a tiny bit. We're down 25% compared to 2024. So that's the significant thing. And buyers, this is really your best time to be a buyer. And I realize maybe it's scary, but I think you're going to look back upon this time and think, gee, I should have bought a home. So what's that done for our months of inventory? Well, we sit at 3.19, our highest level in 2025. We were 1.39 a year ago, so up 130% compared to that same time last year. Our median price, basically steady. We're down 1% from last week and flat from 2024. So we're gonna keep talking about this each week. If you're a home buyer sitting on the sidelines thinking, gee, I'm too afraid to buy. For 36 years, I've studied this marketplace, and I can tell you prices, except for the rare occasions, are higher in spring than they are now. And you may look back upon this time and wish I had jumped into this market, especially when you look at the median price this year is basically flat year over year. So pay attention to this information. Don't miss this opportunity. If you've got questions about this marketplace, whether buying or selling, please reach out to us. We're happy to help. If you've yet to do so, hit the thumbs up icon, share this video with a friend who could use this information, and subscribe for our future updates. Well, that's it for now, and we'll talk with you next week. Take care.